And right now I want to create this linear curve, but on this side. So first of all, I want to hide my model. Also, I want to hide my bones, my joints. So I want to add my joints to the layer bones. And the same with IK. Yeah, not bad. And actually also this IK. And yeah, so right now I should create the same curve. So let's create curve. Let's press X, enter, right button, and let's snap to my wrist, but I want to see my bone. Here to my wrist and my no, let's hide bone, and again snap to my upper wrist right now, and let's drag this point to the middle of this control of these arrows. And right now I want to create a cluster at the end of this curve. So let's select my point. Let's switch to animation, deform, cluster, and let's check our cluster. Yeah, right now it works not bad. And let's rename our curve. I just copy the name from this control and right here, this. Yeah, something like this. So right now I want to connect my cluster. Let's hide the model. So I want to connect my cluster to my wrist, my main joint, wrist, cluster, constraint parent, and let's put right here maintain offset and add, and right now let's check. Here it looks not bad. Also I want to connect this control to my wrist control. So let's constraint, point, apply, And let's try. Yeah, something like this. So right now I want to create another cluster to this curve on this side. So again, let's select our point and deform cluster. And let's check. Yeah, it works. Nice. And I want to drag this cluster to this group, or to this control, and let's check. Yeah, it looks not bad. And I want to change a little bit. I want to add this constraint not on my control actually. I want to add it on my group. So again, no, we should select it on this outliner. So again, point, add, let's check. Yeah, not bad. And only right now I want to add my cluster to this group. And again, let's check. Yeah, right now it's right. And right now I can create this text IK and FK. So let's create type, and right here I should write IK. And right now in geometry, let's create curve. Yeah. So I won't actually delete this mesh. So right now I have only curves. And let's create another one for FK. FK, and again create curve. And again delete my mesh. And let's rename R IK FK text, no, text, and right here R IK I. Let's copy this and right here K, and the same to the FK text. FK oh yeah, FK text and right here IK text. And right here FK. It's F. Copy and paste right here. Okay. Yeah. That's nice. And right now I should choose my groups and center pivot for them. And I want to scale this text something like right here. Something like this, okay. Let's snap to our upper wrist. And maybe let's put this text a little bit to the center. Yeah, something like this. And freeze transformation. And I want to put these groups to this group. Actually, yeah, something like this. And right now I should open again my node editor. And let's hide all this. And I want to put these two groups to my node editor actually. Yeah. And I want to put my IK, FK. So from this switch I want to add to this IK and this value to this. And let's check. Yeah, looks not bad. Also, you can see that my IK I add to my IK layer and FK to my FK layer. So let's do the same. IK, let's switch to FK and to my FK, but for my it's actually right side. And I should rename my layer. Paste. And right. Yeah, now it's good. Let's add this curve. Also these clusters. Yeah, something like this. And right now my IK doesn't affect on my wrist, and I want to show it what I mean. So right now when I am rotating this wrist, it doesn't affect on these elements, but on my left arm I already made, you can see this interesting rotation in my IK. So let's try IK and this control. First of all, I want to copy this name, animation editor, expression, right here, rotate in this place, it's Z equal to this name, R arm, IK, control dot rotate y divided by -1, create, and right here let's name our arm upper wrist to wrist. Enter, close, and let's check. Yeah, that's awesome. And again, let's check here Y, and here upper wrist, again Z-axis. So in this time let's copy this name and again expression editor dot rotate Z-axis equal to R arm IK control dot rotate and y-axis divided by -2, and let's try create, and again let's rename this expression arm, it's upper wrist, and twist, and let's press enter, close, and let's check. Yeah, right now that's all.